Hello, my name is Stanko. I will be talking about the acute effects of exercise. This will be linked to basketball. In this video, I will be talking about the muscular system, energy system, cardiovascular system, and respiratory system. Musculoskeletal system. The musculoskeletal system is the main system. This system is responsible for the movement of the body. When a person is playing basketball, the musculoskeletal system will help the body with the demands that the musculoskeletal system has placed upon the body. The body will need to deliver large amounts of oxygen to the muscles as they are exercising. The more oxygen a person is taking in while performing an activity, the harder he or she is working. This would happen in basketball when a player has just ran a fast break and is sprinting back to defense. As the player is running, he is using his muscles repeatedly. Therefore, an increase in blood supply will occur as he will need to deliver the oxygen to the working muscles. This will also get rid of all the waste products such as lactic acid. Increased muscle pliability is another effect of acute exercises related to muscular system. This happens because when we exercise, more oxygen and blood needs to be delivered to your muscles to keep them functioning. Through this, your muscles warm up as your body produces heat. From this, your muscles are more flexible. If your muscles are more flexible, this helps you beat your players in basketball to rebounds and perform layups. As you are more stretched out, you can generate more power into the jump. You can generate more power in the jump in order to out-jump or outpace your player. When exercising, your body will produce more synovial fluids, as the joints are moving a lot more because of the sport and activity. Therefore, synovial fluids will be produced so that the body will help in movement. As well as this, joints will become warmer, allowing tendons and ligaments to warm up and become more stretched. As well as being more flexible in your sport, you also become less prone to injury as your muscles are stretched and warm. Therefore, it is harder to pull or tear your muscles. Cardiovascular system. The second thing I will be talking about in this video is the cardiovascular system. This is the system that takes the oxygen and the blood around the body. Through this, the oxygen demand increases. The body temperature rises and more waste products are produced. While we are exercising, our heart works harder. This is because of the increase in oxygen and blood. The rate that your heart beats per minute increases is directly proportional to the intensity that the body is working at. During exercise, the body temperature increases. Due to the heat increase, blood vessels expand and go to the surface of your body. That is why when you're exercising, your face goes red. This is called vasodilation. When in basketball you are on a fast break, you are working at a high intensity, which means your heart needs to work harder. Your body turns more reddish because of the blood that is being delivered to the working muscles. When exercising, blood pressure increases. The normal systolic pressure is 110 to 140. During a fast break, your systolic pressure will increase as the body needs blood to be delivered to the working muscles. Respiratory system. The third part of my video is the respiratory system. This is the system that takes oxygen out and lets carbon dioxide out, also known as lactic acid. This system is very important for basketball when working at a high intensity as you produce high amounts of waste products. The respiratory system allows you to get rid of this by taking in oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide. This gets rid of lactic acid. When exercising, your breath per minute and depth per minute increases. No, your breath per minute and depth of breathing increases. In the brain, there is a stem called medulla. This stem controls the rate of breathing. Chemoreceptors are around the body, mainly the bigger blood vessels such as arteries. These chemicals are sensitive to chemicals such as oxygen, carbon dioxide and pH, acid, levels of the body. If the chemicals detect a change in normal levels, they stimulate the body to remove them by increasing breathing. The pH changes due to lactic acid, which is released of hydrogen ions. Increase of tidal volume is when breaths increase in an attempt to take in more oxygen and get rid of more carbon dioxide. The last part of my video is energy systems. Energy is produced by food we eat to let the max amount of energy be stored. The food we eat is stored in ATP. These are the two different types of energy systems while playing basketball. You work aerobically because you play long periods of time at different intensities. While playing basketball, you need oxygen to be delivered to your muscles so they can release the waste products that are building up.